Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen, and this is how to fix action not available in Roblox Mobile. So, first thing that you will do is simply open the Roblox application, and now from here, if you cannot like a game, in order for you to do this, you could just simply select the More on the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, guys, just simply go ahead and scroll down, and then you should be able to see here settings. So just simply select settings, and here at the top, you should be able to see here account info. So guys, in order for you to like a game, you have to add your email address. So here guys, on the email address, just make sure to add your email, and from here you should be able to see an option add an email, and since I already have an email, I will have an option to edit it out, and just simply provide your email address, and from there it will send you a email address, and after that, guys, an email will be sent to you, and you just have to verify it. And after that, you should be able to have, and after that, you will be able to add your email into your Roblox account. Now, with that said, just simply go back to the home and just simply tap any game over here. And if we scroll down, we should be able to see here the arrow pointing downward and the arrow pointing upward. So if you want to like it, just simply select the arrow pointing up. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.